Hey guys, you're welcome again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you my AliExpress haul. I love AliExpress because, of course, you can find cheap finds, you can find a lot of different things. And I've been shopping on AliExpress for a long time. I've never really had a bad buy. So I like to call myself a seasoned AliExpress shopper. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys my haul, and I'm also going to be sharing with you tips for shopping really well on AliExpress so that you never get a bad buy. Hi, my name is Tora and I share lifestyle and DIY videos that will help you look good, feel good and not break the bank. So here are my top 3 tips for shopping on AliExpress. The first thing you want to do is to check your reviews, both on AliExpress and outside of AliExpress. And my favorite place to do this is actually on YouTube. I usually check the seller or things to buy on YouTube and see what other people have reviewed, and that really helps me make a more informed decision. I also check the reviews on the platform. The more the reviews, the better. At least you know that you have a higher chance of getting something of good quality. Another thing you can do is to ask for recommendations from your friends to know who to buy from, because I think that is actually the safest way to buy on AliExpress. I have a list of sellers down in the description below that I would recommend that you buy from, because these are people that either my friends or myself have bought from successfully. Another thing you want to check is the sizing. You want to check the sizing because sometimes Chinese or Asian sizing is completely different from regular, me and you type of sizing. So you want to check the sizing so that you're not disappointed when you buy things from them. Another thing you want to check is how long they've been on. Usually the longer they've been on the platform, the better, because that kind of gives you a little bit of assurance. I personally don't really buy clothes from AliExpress, but what I do love to buy is accessories. Like this earring, for example. I really love accessories because sometimes if you get the right seller, you can actually get great, in fact, impeccable quality products. So let me show you my haul now.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one, walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I could ever say to change your dreams and the memories we've made, to see it crashing out the skies like a tidal wave down on me, walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love, we've said goodbye. There's nothing I can ever say sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I can ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye.
I hope you found this video helpful. If you do shop on AliExpress, tag me, I'm Toyora George on Instagram, and let me know what you've bought. Love you guys. Till next time. Bye.